Have you ever wondered if it's possible to change your brain? Imagine if you could rewire your mind just by the power of thought. Well, guess what? Science says you can, and it's all thanks to something called mindfulness. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of how mindfulness can physically alter your brain. This isn't just about feeling more relaxed or less stressed. It's about tangible, measurable changes that can improve your mental health and overall well-being. So why is this important? With the rise of mental health struggles, understanding and applying mindfulness could be a game changer for many. It's a tool that's accessible to everyone, requiring no special equipment or background. Let's start by understanding what mindfulness actually is. It's the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment without judgment. This might sound simple, but in our fast-paced, multitasking world, it's anything but. Now, how does mindfulness change the brain? Studies have shown that regular mindfulness practices, like meditation, can increase the gray matter in your brain. Gray matter is involved in muscle control, seeing, hearing, memory, emotions, and speech. Particularly, the hippocampus, known for its role in learning and memory, benefits from mindfulness. But that's not all. The amygdala, which plays a critical role in our stress and anxiety responses, tends to decrease in size. This means less stress and anxiety, and who wouldn't want that? But how do you start practicing mindfulness? It's all about finding moments throughout your day to be fully present. This could be while eating, walking, or even during your morning routine. The key is consistency. Like training a muscle, training your brain takes time and practice. Let's hear from people who have made mindfulness a part of their lives. They report feeling less stressed, more focused, and happier. It's as if they've found a secret formula to a better life. But don't just take their word for it. Science backs this up, with countless studies showing the benefits of mindfulness on mental health. From reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression to improving attention and cognition. The beauty of mindfulness is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a meditation guru or have hours of free time. Just a few minutes a day can start you on the path to transforming your brain and your life. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried mindfulness? What was your experience? Leave a comment below, sharing your story or asking questions. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who could benefit. Remember, the journey to a healthier mind begins with a single mindful step. Take that step today, and let's transform our brains together. And there you have it, the science of mindfulness and its profound impact on the brain. Who knew that such a simple practice could lead to such significant changes? As we conclude, I encourage you to embrace mindfulness, not just as a practice but as a way of life. Change your brain, change your life.